Thanks for joining us on this press meet with regard to Star aligning with St. Jude's to provide health insurance cover for children diagnosed with cancer and being treated for cancer. Most of you know us. We from Star Health Insurance, we want to be something more than an insurer. That's why we call ourselves as health insurance specialist. Apart from healthcare financing, how we can reach the requirements of the common man. In India, it is those people who are diagnosed with a disease that are looking for an health insurance cover. Whereas most of the insurance companies wanted to offer cover for people who are young and healthy. But what the market wants is people with some diabetes, hypertension, people diagnosed with a heart disease. As a doctor, I have seen a lot of patients who ask for a health insurance cover after they are diagnosed and after they are admitted to the hospital. But they don't understand that health insurance is for a protection which has to be taken when someone is totally alright. So we have done a lot of research and survey on the market requirement, and we understand that it is those people who are diagnosed with a disease and who are suffering, they require health insurance cover. They need a strong confidence that once somebody is diagnosed with a cancer and they are treated for cancer, but still they are branded as a cancer patient and there is no health insurance cover for them. And today, with modern advancements, cancer is diagnosed early and people are treated, and most of them live almost normal life. At that point of time, they can develop a fracture, a fever, COVID-19 or a heart attack, and they are not given insurance cover because they are branded as cancer patients. We want to break that myth, and we want to tell our fellow citizens that we are here to cover not only for young and healthy people, but also for those who are diagnosed with a disease and who are looking for some financial help. So in this context, we have come up with Star Cancer Cover. Cancer cover, you would have heard a lot of health insurance cover available for cancer. But most of the health insurance cover that we see in the market are for people who are otherwise normal. If there are some 1,000 people working in a corporate sector, all the 1,000 people, they buy a cancer cover policy. If any of them are diagnosed with cancer, they will get a lump sum payment. This is what is called as cancer cover in insurance industry all these days. For the first time in Star Health Insurance, we said that we will give cover to people not who are otherwise normal, people who are already diagnosed with cancer. Why insurance after diagnosis? Is it to meet up the cost of the current treatment? No. We are only custodian of common fund. We worked on pooled funds. Somebody cannot give 10,000 rupees premium and next day they cannot come with a 2 lakh claim. The logistics will not work. So naturally what we are trying to say, even after diagnosis of cancer, somebody buys an insurance policy and after they get their cancer treated, there are chances of recurrence, metastasis, the spread of cancer to other areas, or second malignancy. And there are sequelae following treatment of cancer. All these things requires hospitalization and it involves cost. So what we are trying to say, in India, close to 14 lakh people are diagnosed with the disease every day. As per the statistics available, there may be a lot which are not coming under our statistics. So, close to 14 lakh people are diagnosed with cancer in India. Usually cancer, we think that it happens when we get old, in the old age, only usually cancer happens. But there are children also. There are cancers affecting children. For example, we call it as hematolymphoid malignancy, cancer related to blood and lymph nodes, and cancer related to the brain and spinal cord, cancer relating to kidneys, neuroblastomas, nephroblastomas, CNS tumors, bone tumors, and hematolymphoid malignancy. These are very common cancers in children, and close to 50,000 plus people are newly diagnosed with cancer. The children who are diagnosed with cancer. And one good news is that cancer in children, majority of the cancers, if they are diagnosed early and if they are treated, they are curable. There is a very high cure rate and a favorable prognosis for children with cancer. So, ladies and gentlemen, what we are trying to tell you here is, we from Star Health Insurance are trying to look at how we can extend insurance cover for people already diagnosed with cancer, so that they would have taken their initial treatment, but subsequently they may have complications, they may get another cancer or spread of cancer, or they may get any other disease as they grow, from fever to fracture to a heart attack or anything. So all these things are covered in the cancer care product. This insurance cover is going to pay for cancer related problems in future, and also non-cancer related routine medical cover. That is how we have come up with this cancer cover policy. And in this context, I am very glad to say that Ms. Rekha Shetty, she is a very a sort of social entrepreneur. She met us and she introduced St. Jude's to us, and we thought that, like, we can join hands with social minded people like St. Jude's and Rotary Club of Madras Temple City, and see that, there is an intention for me to serve the public, and there is an opportunity for me as a doctor in health insurance to introduce a cover for cancer. But I have to align with people, like-minded people, with social interest. And this is an opportunity for us to align with Ms. Rekha Shetty, representing Rotary Club of Madras Temple City, and our representatives from St. Jude's. So what we are going to do? So we are going to cover children who are diagnosed with cancer and treated for cancer. After that, they may live for 5 years, 10 years, 50 years, normal life, we don't know. Whatever the number of years they live, they can be given an health insurance cover at a very, very fair and affordable price. And they should have the dignity to be considered at par with any other normal person. So any science has a relevance only if it is able to reach every common man in this country. And there cannot be an inequality. I cannot say that, oh, you have a disease, I won't give you insurance cover. This is not fair, because insurance is a game of large number, and we have more than 2 crore lives that we are covering. And we consider that of all inequalities in healthcare is most inhuman.
For that inspiring presentation. There are winners in life, and I believe that the biggest winners we have here is children who battle and overcome cancer. Children who, with very little on their side, because many of them belong to underprivileged sections from all parts of the country. Children who fight that dreaded disease, win and come into this cancer cover. So first I would like to hand you over to Mrs. Usha Banerjee, who will talk to you from St. Jude's, because she deals with life after cancer. St. Jude's for life, because at St. Jude's we believe that the children who come to us, who are looked after by us during treatment, belong to us as long as they live. I think it's a very inspiring part of the work of St. Jude's. I would ask Mrs. Usha Banerjee to...
This week, on Monday, I had to accompany a friend to a hospital. It was a small, what should have been an OPD or daycare process. Thanks to COVID, things are very complicated. I had to take a COVID test myself. She was, what should have been a half an hour process, she was in hospital, in daycare for half the day, and the bill was staggering. At least for me it was. I think I'm out of touch with what hospital bills are. And while we've been working on this cancer insurance policy, it hit home that, if people like me can look at hospital bills, and even for a half day admission for a very routine process, and if I find the amount is large, what happens to people who can't afford? These past 2 years have been very difficult. And as we will talk probably a little bit about our organization, we support families when they bring their children for treatment for cancer to large hospitals. And the hospitals are high quality, low cost for treatment, like Tata Memorial, like the Adyar Hospital here, like AIIMS in Delhi. And what actually happens is the families come to these cities, they stay with us, we take care of the nourishment of the child, the mental well-being of the family, transportation to the hospital, whatever actually is required is taken care by us. It completes the circle of care because the hospital is providing the medical treatment. You know, when we talk of, Dr. Prakash talked of the cure rate of cancers, and he also mentioned that 50,000 odd children are diagnosed every year. The number who reach for treatment are less than 20,000. That is the actual reality of our country. And what actually does happen is that very often, unless they get the supportive care provided by our centers, they abandon treatment. Will increase. Currently, we have about 350 odd children who are covered for health and accident. We hope to add about 300-400 or maybe up to 500 every year. We expect at the end of 2024 or 25, we'll have 2,000 children enrolled. And this is going to be something which is, I think Anil, who's our CEO, has been in conversation with other organizations who also support children. And everybody is interested in doing this because this is a game changer. This is changing the life and future of these children. You know, when somebody has a job, if, like I said, with my experience of just earlier this week, you have one illness in the family, it can wipe out your savings unless you have some kind of support for the medical cover. And I think we are really, really grateful and thankful that this synergy happened, that the Rotary Club under Rekha's leadership, Dr. Prakash with Star Health and St. Jude's were able to come together to, you know, to be able to provide something really meaningful for these children.